Okay, on to the next build now. Now obviously I've done my warehouse in the Walther's cold storage build. Now I'm going to turn these sort of shoe boxes into that. So what I'm going to use is this, I've got an old sign of styrene, which I've already cut some. So what I'm going to do is actually, well, paint it as well. I'm also going to do the modern look, as if it's concrete, and paint it exactly the same. So I'll go ahead and keep cutting the styrene into the sizes. Okay, now I've cut all my styrene sheets. Now all I've got to do is mark them. Okay, now I'm doing the scribing of the concrete walls to fit these boxes. So what I've done is, this is a piece left over from my cold storage warehouse. Now as you can see, I've got the lines here. So what I've done is marked each length where the concrete lines go, and vice versa on this side. So the way I'm scribing the lines in, I'm using actually a small file, which is just got a point on the end. And what I do, and I only scribe once, because otherwise I go too deep. So I put it on the lines, and that's all I do, is one line or one pass. And then the same with the sides. And this styrene is just an old sign. And even though it is white now, I'm still going to paint it white. And these will also have the red stripe on top, so it's completely matching the cold storage warehouse. So I don't know how good you can see the lines, but it's definitely got lines. So I'm going to go paint this now. I'll paint it white and show you the sort of the difference. It looks painted white on white. Okay, that's what she looks like, all painted white now, except for the red stripe. So I'll go ahead and finish all the others and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I've now painted the red stripe on all the walls, as you can see, and some over there. But also I've painted some doors they're red, and some roller doors, which is silver. Now the roller doors will sort of go up like so, and some of the doors will go something like that. So that's the Walther's cold storage warehouse, and that will be the shoe boxes, as you can see. So the next step is now to glue these doors on and then line them all up. Okay, now I'm going to glue me walls to the shoe boxes. So the way I'm doing that is I'm just using super glue. So I'll put the super glue on. And then I'll just stick it up on the wall. And then I put weights on it. And then let it dry. And I'll just do another side. Then once I put all the sides up, then I'll be able to put those doors on. So I'll go ahead and finish all the others. Also on top of the roof, I need some air vents, and I'm going to use these push pins, which I'm going to cut the metal spike off, and that's how my vents are going to look like. And I've just painted them silver, so that's what they look like all painted up. So now I'll put them on top of the roof and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I've now painted the roof charcoal, and that one's still wet. So when that dries, I'll put them on the roof or on the building. Okay, I've now finished doing the 3 shoe boxes. So that's what she looks like from a distance. And all the way to the end. And obviously the roof vents are all glued in now. So the push pins, well, I thought did a good job. and that's obviously not where it's going to go. And I've still got some other stuff I'll eventually do to it too, but I needed to get this job out of the way to concentrate on my next major part, which I'll show you in the next video. Anyway, that's what she looks like, or that's what shoe boxes into a building looks like. So I'm going to call this part a wrap. So thanks for watching.